Hi, today we're going to talk about how to make a simple text change on your website. After you've logged in, go to the correct page that you want to work on. For today, I'm working on what's called a practice page, but you could scroll down to find any of the pages that you would need to make the change to. I'm going to find the section where I need to make the change, which for today is going to be in the promotions area. And I'm going to find where I need to make that, hover, and when I click on it, it will give me the option to edit the text. So for today's purposes, I just need to change one line, but you could take all of this out and replace it with all new text. And I'm just going to change the first line to our new promotion, which is 20% off all keratin smoothing treatments. And it's already set at a default font size, etc., because I already had text there. But if you didn't like how it was coming in or you needed to change that, you could go and change the font, you could change the font size, and bold, italicize, change the color, add a link, etc. So after I've changed the text, I need to preview it and see if I like the way it's looking. So let's do that. And again, because I'm replacing text, it automatically lined up here. But I also need to make sure, as always, to change and text to check on mobile. So let's check the mobile view. Again, it takes me to the right page, but I need to find the section that we're working on, which here it is. And there's the wording we just changed. It's all aligning. Note that sometimes on mobile, you would need to maybe change around the way it fits on the page, or even sometimes where it is next to the page where you want it to go. This should have all been covered in your training, but this is just a reminder to always check whatever you do on your website on both mobile and desktop. So now that I've previewed it, I'm going to save it and publish. And then I'm going to go to a live version of the site and refresh that page since the page has been changed. And make sure that on the live version, it is looking exactly how I want it to. And there it is. It's looking great. What you can't see is off camera. I'm going to now change it on my live version of my site on my mobile device. Again, making sure that it lines up and reads correctly. And then I'm finished. And that's it for a simple text change on your website.